Today we are going to perform the practical number 8, that is determine voltage and current ratio of a single phase transformer. Okay, so what is mean by single phase transformer? A single phase transformer is used for changing voltage level in electronic circuit. Mostly electronic devices or circuit are energized with a DC supply. So, to lower the voltage level of AC supply voltage, a transformer is used, and this lowered AC voltage level further rectified to DC supply. Voltage ratio of transformer decides increasing or decreasing the voltage level. Okay, then what is mean by voltage ratio? Okay, the voltage ratio of a transformer is equal to the ratio of secondary voltage and primary voltage. Okay, A is equal to Vp upon Vs, where Vp is the primary voltage and Vs is the secondary voltage. Current and secondary current, calculating by using formula B is equal to Ip upon Is, where Ip is the primary current and Is is the secondary current. Okay, then we will see the circuit diagram. This is the circuit diagram of our practical. Firstly, for this experiment, we can use 230 volt single phase 50 Hz AC supply. So we have connect this supply to the auto transformer. This is the auto transformer. Okay. After connecting these to single phase 230 volt AC supply, this auto transformer have two terminal, that is phase and neutral. Okay, so the phase terminal of this auto transformer is connected to the common terminal of an ammeter, and then the range terminal of this ammeter is, this is the range terminal. Range terminal of this ammeter is connected to the primary first terminal of primary winding of single phase transformer. Okay, that is P1 terminal. Then the second terminal of primary winding, that is P2 terminal of the single phase transformer is. Then for measuring the primary side voltage, we have connect this voltmeter in parallel. So the common terminal of this voltmeter is connected to the phase terminal of an auto transformer, and the range terminal of this voltmeter is connected to the neutral terminal of this transformer. Okay, thus our primary side connection done. Then we can see the secondary side connection. So this is the secondary side of a single phase transformer, that is S1 and S2. So the S1 terminal of the secondary side is connected to the common terminal of an ammeter. Then the range terminal of this ammeter is connected to the first terminal of this load. Then the second terminal of this load is connected to the S2 means second terminal of an secondary winding of an single phase transformer. Okay, then for measuring the secondary side voltage, we have connect this voltmeter in of the load, and the range terminal of this voltmeter is connected to the second terminal of this load. Okay, thus our connection done as per the circuit diagram. Then we will see the what resource required to perform this practical. First, we will require 2 ammeter for measuring primary and secondary current having the range 0 to 10 ampere AC. Then second, we will require 2 AC voltmeter for measuring the primary and secondary side voltage having the range 0 to 300 volt AC. Then third, we will require single phase transformer having the range 1 kVA 230 by 115 volt. In this 0 to 230 side, we will use as the primary, and 0 to 115 volt side we will use as the secondary. Then fourth one is the resistive load. In our practical, we can use lamp bank as a resistive load. Then we will see the observation table of this practical. Okay, in this practical we have to measure the S means secondary side current, third VP means primary side voltage, and fourth VS means secondary side voltage. With the help of this reading, we can calculate current ratio by using formula IP upon IS means the primary current divided by secondary current, and calculate the voltage ratio by using formula VP upon VS means primary voltage divided by secondary voltage. After calculating these voltage and current ratio value, write down in this result.